Hey guys, welcome to Biology 8.1. We are now in a new chapter, obviously, that's why it's 8.1, and we're talking about the nervous system. The things you're going to be learning about the nervous system, which is an extremely interesting and important system in your body, okay? You're going to be learning the divisions of the nervous system, which is the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system, okay? Because the nervous system is so big inside your body that it needs to be broken down into parts. And it's so important, you guys, the nervous system, what is it? It's your nerves. It's your messages from your brain to all different parts of your body. And it's so complex that doctors don't even understand it all the way. We can see evidence of that with Dr. Benjamin Carson, because he had to read and read and read about the nervous system, about the brain, and about different parts of your body and how they all connect with the heart and everything before he could even do the surgeries that he did that no one else had done before. And it's because he was trusting that the nervous system was going to do what it was designed to do by God. Okay, so there's still a lot to learn about the nervous system, but you're going to see a lot of information about it and how complex it really is, which really speaks to God's creation and the fact that he created us with such complexity that it could never have happened on accident, right? So we're going to see how the nerves work. We're going to see reflex action. We're going to see parts of the brain, the importance of avoiding alcohol, neurological diseases, and sense organs. Okay, that's the focus of this chapter. Today it's going to be interesting. You're going to see a lot of terms, but you're going to even see different conditions that your nervous system can have. Like meningitis is a huge one that happens to university students in the States. So it's common among that group of people. So it'll be good information for you to have. Now, the thing is that I understand that it's the end of the week. You're kind of sick of outlining things. You're kind of sick of writing things, et cetera, et cetera. So what I'm going to do today is kind of change it up with this video. Obviously, I'm not going to go through part by part with you because the biology book, like I said before, is written a lot easier to understand in comparison to the physics book, right? So what you need to do is you need to read your chapter, but as you read your chapter, you need to get prepared for a video, okay? You are going to do a video of 5 minutes, no more than 5 minutes, explaining this section, okay? What do I mean by explaining this section? Look what you need to do. You need to take the, look at page 116, okay? You need to take your reading and you need to explain to me the central nervous system. You need to explain to me every heading, okay? You need to pick out 7 technical words that you are going to use, 7 of the bold terms, okay? Because here's the thing. I can make you outline this. There's a ton of information. I can make you outline this, but when you get up again, you're not going to remember what you just wrote down, okay? Because there's that much information. So I want you to, you're going to have to explain every part, but you're only going to have to use at least 7 technical words, okay? Which are the bold words: meningitis, blood-brain barrier, central nervous system, neurologist, spinal nerves, cranial nerves. Now, you'll probably end up using more than 7, but you're required to use 7. But here's what you need to do. Looking at page 116, you need to explain, you need to have sections in your video. First, you're going to explain to me what the central nervous system is, okay? Obviously, you're going to introduce me to the nervous system as your introduction of your video. Then you're going to talk about the central nervous system, which, what do you talk about there? You have to talk about all these things. You need to talk about the brain and spinal cord, okay? You need to talk about neurons, okay? All these sections that you see. So on 117, it's the neurons. You can write this down if you want to, instead of just being dependent on finding these headings. 119, the blood-brain barrier, meningitis, poliomyelitis, cranial and spinal nerves, automatic control, and that's it, okay? So there's 8 sections after your introduction and a conclusion that you need to say within 5 minutes with at least 7 technical terms. But I want you to cover all of those areas, which means you need to read and understand them. What you're doing when you read them is you may be taking a few notes, but you're really reading it to digest it, to process it, and to tell me in your own words, okay? Then you need to do section 8.1 review, just 1 through 6, no identify, on a piece of paper, and send that to me, okay? So what do I need today? I need the video and your section 8.1 review. Thank you so much. Enjoy learning about the nervous system.